Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell so that you cannot miss our next video. Kuna vakato subscribe that top 10 ndetsigiro raunotipa ndinotipa simba rekuti rambe ndichiendera mberi chikuigira nyaya dzakasiyana siyana dzatotora pamasocial media platforms akasiyana siyana. Nyaya yatinayo nhasi ndeye Michelle Amulu yaizivikanwa nekunzi Moana. It's like Michelle akashaika munjodzi yemumugwagwa inosanganisira Boss Ginimbi avo vatakanzwa kuti vakatoradzikwa kudhara nedzimwe shamwari dzavo mbiri, Lumumba naAlicia, of which Lumumba anga achinzi akatoradzikwa kunyika yake yeMalawi. Hatisingazoziva kuti Alicia zvii zvakazotora nzvimbo, hatisati ane information yakakwana. So Moana haasati avigwa pamusaka pekuti vabereki vacho vari kuita kakukakatirana baba vachiti ngauye azovigwa muchitendero chedu, mai vachiti aya ngauye azovigwa chinyi pajekerere, vanhu vese vachingodi vachingouya achizongocontributawo semunhu akanga acelebrity. So mushure mekudhonzana naikoko vakazosarudza kuti nyaya iyi ngaichitoenda kumatare dzimhosva vayananiswe, dare riyo richatozosajesta kuti zvofambiswa sei, ovigwa in which way. So vakanga vanzi vanozodzoka nemande, and right now I'm going to read to you maproceedings acho aitika chi mukoti. Atanga kupinda mukoti ndimai Moana, ava ndo vatanga nemaproceedings avo, vanonzi Yolanda Kuvagona, vachitaura nani najudge. So I'm going to read to you from judge. Can you tell us briefly what is your grievance? Yolanda: my complaints are that when my daughter died, we sat down with the Amuli family and we agreed that if someone hadn't paid lobola and their child dies, the funeral would be held at the mother's place. They agreed and said their religion doesn't allow that the funeral be held at the place be held at a place where there are people who eat pork and drink beer. They then said their pastor wasn't coming because Moana was now hanging out with drunkards and she was now an alcoholic and was always partying. We agreed that since she was now a celebrity, many people would want to pay their last respect. We found it fit that the funeral be held at my place. Amuli paid Maria Choto according to my custom so that the funeral can be held at my parents' place. After 3 days, we were going about the funeral proceedings together. Going to identify the child, Amuli started asking me where Moana's belongings were from all the cars, properties, and I told him that we should first bury the child and discuss the properties. On 12 November, we went to the doctor and they took DNA from me, which they said are required for DNA tests, and when we went home, he called me and my brother, then his brother told me that our time of working together was up and told me not to question why they had come to such decision. He then told me that someone had told them that Moana was not his daughter, so I should do the whole process alone. My brother tried to negotiate with them, but they left. Parenyatwa called me and went to get DNA samples, and they called me to collect the results. The police officer who was dealing with the matter called me to the police post where I was to collect burial order. And judge asked, if all these were grievances, then Yolanda replied, when I returned to the burial orders offices, the next day I found Amuli and his relatives there. His wife was at the forefront shouting that I wanted to steal Moana's body. They were shouting that I hadn't notified them that the DNA results were out. Then they took the letter from me, the letter that I got for burial order. When they then sat down and they said they would take the body and go to Dubs, and then from there we would go with the body to my parents' house, then would go to the burial from there. They then went to collect the burial order and changed everything and said Moana's corpse wasn't going to be moved from Parenyatwa and would then be taken to their church and go for burial. That is where my grievance arose. We then called the police officer who was dealing with the matter and they indicated that they hadn't changed, so I called Dubs to collect the body, and as we were going to the mortuary, They ran away with the burial order. I explained to the police and they called the mortuary and indicated that the corpse wouldn't be taken away until the parent had agreed, and that the result resulted me in making the urgent chamber application. They returned later that night wanting to collect the body, but the police barred them from taking the corpse. When I went the next day, the police advised me that they had turned to collect the corpse. We wanted to bury my daughter in my absence. He wanted to bury my daughter in my absence. That is why I wanted the court to intervene so that the body will be taken to my place and buried at Zororo with everyone present. I am now afraid that he will change as usual. And the judge asks, what's wrong with the Warren Hills? And Yolanda replied, they want to take where Muslims are buried. I won't even be able to visit that place or flower or place a tombstone there. They are saying that they want here to be washed, the bowels and intestines. They want to clean where bent beyond recognition. And the judge said the first respondent Amuli got the burial. Part 2, Moana's court proceedings. Amuli takes the stand. Amuli takes the oath. Judge, you have heard what the applicant has said. We have called you to clarify issues, not to tell us the whole story. We have heard the applicant explain what her grievance is. What is your response to that? And Amuli answered, from the first day that my daughter died, I went to the scene, then went to the hospital, and I found they carrying the vehicle that was carrying Moana's body. They never greeted us, so when we saw that we weren't greeted, my daughter Lucy, who works there, started signing papers. They never approached me, and the bodies were taken to the mortuary. I never refused what they wanted. I only argued that according to the Muslim tradition, the deceased corpse doesn't spend the night in the house, so she would spend the night at house and go to her house. My main argument is that I don't want the body to be placed in the house, and also want a specific coffin that would carry. From the mortuary to Doves, then from Doves to the church, the body would be dressed at church, from church to home. And then the judge said, do you expect that the applicant would be excluded from all these proceedings? And Amuli said, no, from the church we will go to wherever they want to take us for 2 to 3 hours. And judge said, will she be excluded from the graveyards? Amuli said, they may be allowed, but will be at a distance because noise is not allowed at the actual interment. Only men are allowed, meaning male relatives are allowed. Why does she think you be barred from the burial? Why have you changed the burial place to Warren Hills? And Amuli said, my daughter is a Muslim. They are only buried at Warren Hills, where we have a site set aside for Muslims. And judge said, why did you agree in the first place? She says she won't be able to visit the grave. I never agreed to that. We were arguing. She will not be barred from doing whatever they want to do at the grave. And that was the end of Amuli's what? Court ruling. So guys, ndo zvimwe zvezvinhu zvanga zviri kuitika mukati medare redzimhosva, apo amai vaMoana vaenda kunopa nhunha dzavo kune mutongi wedzimhosva, vachiti vanga vari kutarisira kuti mwana wavo avigwe kupi? Kuzororo, uko kwavaizokwanisa kupota vachizondoshanyira guva racho, vachinoisa maruva nekuzoisa matombo aya, matombstone aya anenge achizoiswa paguva, nekuzoti panenge pachivigwa pacho vanenge varipo vachikando dota tudota ivhu kuivhu. Zvinova izvi zvavasingazokwanisa kuita manje kana kuri kunzi chinyi azovigwa pachimuslim, nokuti pachimuslim vakadzi havatenderwi kuyozodongorera muguva. So ivo vanoratidza kuti vanga vada kuita kuviga zvazvingori nomo zvinoitwa chi. So judge azoona both sides and abva azovaudza kuti haasi kukwanisa kuvapa conclusion zuva ranhasi, achamuzombotora mazuva 2-3 ozovapa mhinduro yavo nemusi weWednesday na2:30. Ndopa vachazinga kukwanisa kunyatsoziva kuti vachatora which way, the father's way or the mother's way yeburial. so ndo zvenge tingori nazvo muzuva ranhasi. Musakanganwa kusubscribe by notification bell so that you cannot miss on our next video. Mosara zvakanaka.